Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I slay these eyebrows. Okay? We gonna slay some brows today. I already have my eyebrow routine video on my channel, but I updated my eyebrow routine. Out with the old and in with the new, honey. Yes. So if you would like to see how I achieve these brows, stay tuned and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, I'm gonna try not to talk so much in this video because I promise you, it is so easy. And the key to great eyebrows is to make sure that you keep up the maintenance on your eyebrows. Whether you get them waxed or razored, keep up the maintenance so you can outline the natural shape of your brow. So to begin my brow, I'll outline my brow really lightly. Don't be heavy-handed when it comes to using your products for your eyebrows. Whether you use a pomade or a pencil, go easy on the product so it can look as natural as possible. As you can see, I'm outlining the bottom part of my brow and I outline the top part of my brow. And then after I outline my eyebrow, I begin to fill it in. Okay, now that I filled in my eyebrow, it's time to clean up my eyebrow. And when I'm cleaning up my eyebrows, I always go with the concealer that is one shade lighter than my skin tone because I like for my eyebrows to look natural. I don't like the crazy halo highlight effect that some people like. I don't like that. I do clean up the bottom part of my brow and I also clean up the top part of my brow. So basically you're just using the concealer to clean up any mistakes or to sharpen your shape more if you don't like the shape that you outlined from the beginning. But make sure that you're blending your concealer so that your eyebrows are looking as natural as possible. Okay, this last step is completely optional, but I do apply a brow gel so that my eyebrows will stay in place all day. Okay, y'all, here's the final look of my brows. Okay, I just wanted to share with y'all real quick my updated brow routine. I no longer use that $18 pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. No shade against Anastasia Beverly Hills. We had a good relationship. It was good while it lasted. But I like to save a little coin, honey, okay? I like to save a little coin, okay? So drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my brows. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Thing that I used in this video will be listed down in the description box as well. If you would like to know how I achieved this beat, now this is a natural beat. If you would like to see how I achieved this beat, I also will leave the link down to my no foundation makeup look in the description box down below. Okay, so make sure you click that link and check out that video too. Okay, so if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so this is why you should subscribe to my channel, because I'm popping. Okay, I'm popping, you popping, I know you popping. So go ahead and hit that big red button down below so we can be popping together. We keep it on and popping. Shawty, keep it on and popping. Ooh, yeah. And if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting Shanise Nicole. That's me. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.